Adam Wolf posted the other day about Claude 4.5, basically saying coding's done. And this has been obviously a very controversial post. He does work for Anthropic, so we need to take it with a pinch of salt. He said, as soon as the first half of 2026, software engineering is done. Soon we won't bother to check generated code for the same reasons we don't check compiler output. I love programming, but it's scary to think it might not be part of my job. Coding was always the easy part. The hard part is requirements, goal, feedback, figuring out what to build and whether it is working. The coding is the easy part. It's everything around it that's going to be more important. And increasingly the AIs are able to do the coding. Can they do it perfectly? No, but you can use AIs to check coding as well. A year ago, the code wasn't good. As coding tools and AI augmented coding tools get better and the models get better, then we're seeing the same thing in software engineering, where people are falling back and saying, oh, it can't do architecture and it can't do bug fixes and it can't do security. So they're falling back to the peripheries. This again is the jagged frontier. And because there's so many resources being put into making these models good at coding, especially at companies like Anthropic, the coding portion will be a solved problem in the next couple of years. And the hard part, as Adam Wolf is saying, is requirements, goals, feedback, figuring out what to build and whether it's working. Building stuff that's worthwhile, valuable for end users, stuff you can sell. This is the hard part, because anyone can build, anyone can code. How do you make sure you're building something people want to buy, people want to use? We're going to have to see entrepreneurs who can build using coding, but also know what to build and how to sell it. That's the bigger problem.